It seems like each new version of Microsoft Word that comes out, they make the commands much easier and quicker to access. You have many tabs on the ribbon, and you can pretty much access almost anything you need with just a couple of clicks of the mouse. Well, as the old saying goes, time is money. And if you regularly use a command that takes maybe 3 or 4 mouse clicks, if you could shorten that down to 1 or 2, well, and if you're doing that particular command many times a day or many times a week, well, just a couple of clicks of the mouse now and then is actually going to save you considerable time. So I'm going to show you in this short video how to customize the quick access toolbar to add a command to it so you could access it with just one click of the mouse instead of 3 or 4 or whatever it took to begin with here. So the quick access toolbar is above the ribbon, and right now we simply have the save and the undo and the redo commands. Well, I want to add a command, and this is the command that I happen to use multiple times, is inserting online pictures. Well, in order to do that, I have to go to the Insert tab, I have to go to the Pictures, and I have to choose Online Pictures. Well, again, that doesn't take very many clicks, but if I'm over in the Home tab, there's 2 or 3 or 4 clicks. So if I could shorten that down to just one click and access that particular command from the Quick Access Toolbar, that would save me a little bit of time. Whatever command you're using, it's the same process to do that. So there's a couple ways to actually get into this. I'm going to start by just clicking on the little Customize Quick Access Toolbar button that you see on the Quick Access Toolbar here, and then you could very easily add an additional command. You could, for instance, do the new command, the email command, the read aloud command, or whatever you needed here. But if the command you need isn't here, and in my case it isn't, we'll just go ahead and click on More Commands. Now I could also get to this same place by right-clicking on the Quick Access Toolbar and choosing Customize Quick Access Toolbar. So here I am. I'm to the place now where I can actually add any commands that I want. So over on the far right, we see the commands that are here: save, undo, and redo. Well, to add a command, we'll just find the command that we want and we'll just click add. And it really is that simple, although the difficult thing is actually sometimes trying to find the command. So the default list here is popular commands. So I'm going down the list here and I see insert picture, but I don't see insert online picture, and I really want to save that extra step here. So it really isn't here. So I don't despair. What I do is I click the drop down list here, and then I can select the tab that I know or that I normally would access that command from, which in this case is the Insert tab. So if I go to the Insert tab, now I see all the commands that are available from the Insert tab here. So I see auto text and barcode. Well, I'll scroll down the list here, and it should be here under Insert Picture. It isn't. Well, it's under Online. So if I go into Online Pictures, I click the command, I click Add. Now I've added this command to the Quick Access Toolbar. I'm going to go ahead and try it out, see how it works. So I will click OK. All right, now there it is. So if I'm ready to add an online picture here, I just click it, and there I go right into the Insert Online Pictures. So you can see it's that quick and easy to modify the Quick Access Toolbar. Okay, so hopefully you've found that this is something that is useful to you and you can add your own commands. If you like this video, please consider liking it. Please consider subscribing. I have many other additional videos in my playlist for Microsoft Word, or check out my website, luthermaddy.com, where we have step-by-step instructions and many additional resources out there. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.